The list of this year's Padma Award winners has been released, and it's an eclectic mix of businessmen, actors, sports stars, spiritual gurus and journalists. Some of the big names include superstar Rajinikanth, founder of Reliance Industries, late Dhirubhai Ambani, Art of Living founder Shri Ravi Shankar, sports star Saina Nehwal and Sania Mirza, and actors Anupam Kher, Ajay Devgan and Priyanka Chopra.
India's top civilian awards list this year is an interesting mix. It includes many business leaders, spiritual gurus and media heads. The Padma Bhushan, India's second highest civilian award, went to Dhirubhai Ambani, the creator of Reliance Industries, posthumously. Also to Shri Ravi Shankar, the spiritual leader of Art of Living, and to well-known journalists Ramoji Rao and Polonji Shapoorji, the head of the 150-year-old and $14 billion construction firm. Besides superstar Rajinikanth, too have got the Padma Vibhushan, and his fans aren't complaining. Others like well-known actor Anupam Kher and director Madhur Bhandarkar, who defended the government over attacks by writers and intellectuals for intolerance, have been both awarded Padma Bhushan.
बॉम्बे में 3 साल मैंने सड़कों की खाक छानी, बहुत सारी रातें मैंने रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी गुजारी। और पिछले 31 सालों में पहली भूमिका जो थी वो 28 साल के लड़के ने 65 साल की उम्र के बुढ़े की। तो इस सबकी उपलब्धियां, इन सबकी चीजों के बाद जब पद्म भूषण की न्यूज आती है तो ऐसा लगता है कि अगर एक फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के छोटे से शहर का क्लर्क का बेटा पद्म भूषण पा सकता है तो लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है।
India's former top accountant Vinod Rai, whose reports on telecom and coal block allocation pointed to corruption worth thousands of crores, putting the previous government in a tight spot, too has been conferred with Padma Bhushan for civil services. Sources told NDTV this is a clear indication that the Modi government wants to encourage the bureaucracy to stand up to wrongdoing and reward whistleblowers. The Hyderabad duo Sania Nehwal and Sania Mirza both received Padma Bhushan as well.
बहुत ही बड़ा अचीवमेंट एक्चुअली इस बार तो एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रही थी मैं, बट इट्स अ ग्रेट सरप्राइज। आई वाज जस्ट अपने जोन में थी, आई वाज वर्किंग हार्ड, आई वाज प्लेइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल। लास्ट ईयर बहुत ही अच्छा गया मेरे लिए।
Popular Bollywood actor Ajay Devgan, who campaigned for the BJP in Bihar, will be conferred the Padma Shri, along with others like Priyanka Chopra, Malini Avasthi, public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam, and Archer Deepika Kumari. Ajay Devgan reacted saying, "I feel deeply humbled yet elated to receive such honor from my country." Critics have accused Padma Awards of becoming increasingly politicized over the years, beginning with the UPA's controversial choices like Jatwal. Government awards are mired in controversy, so much so while the Prime Minister recommends Bharat Ratna, 2 Prime Ministers got it when they were in office. Nonetheless, above partisan considerations, the Padma list remains one of the highest national awards. NDTV Bureau Report.